And then now I covered the camel by sand. Now I'm going to fix the shape. This is the tail.
Okay.
And then the neck. The camel.
Oh, wow.
And, yeah. And then this is the mountain.
Okay.
And then this is like example any color like red.
Like sun.
Yeah, like example blue.
The sky.
Sunset like this.
Okay, okay.